Gender equality is not only a fundamental human right, but a necessary foundation for a peaceful, prosperous, and sustainable world.
It is broadly appreciated that if women and girls are not provided the same opportunities as their counterparts, no society can aspire to optimize its development goals. It becomes very clear that empowerment of women and girls is not only a basic human rights issue, but it is essential to optimizing human development.
In Rwanda, the promotion of gender equality and women's empowerment is one of the most important pillars of development, and it is an area where notable achievements have been registered.
Here in Rwanda, it is now broadly known that the leadership of this country has been a champion for empowering women and ensuring gender equality. This is reflected, for instance, in the high representation of women in parliament at 64%, but not only there. Within the cabinet is now over 40% women. The judiciary is 40%, and at the local level, women's representation in the leadership positions is 43%. These are notable achievements.
As a development partner for Rwanda, UNDP has increased synergies between different domains of gender mainstreaming that has catalyzed both development results and organizational transformation.
UNDP Rwanda is very happy to be part of the Gender Seal program. As we said to the team here, because we've set up a local team within the office to work on this initiative, we're not doing this because of the certification, whether it's bronze or silver or gold. For us, we have a very comprehensive program in place currently. In recent times, we've been working with our partners, both our government partners. There are some programs such as our governance program where we've done a complete gender audit of all the elements of that program, and we're working with our partners to implement the recommendations from that. But also on the operations side, we've met with the operations team, and we have a work program looking at procurement, looking at recruitment, looking at asset management, looking at every single aspect of our business to see how is it that we can do better. Again, with that gender perspective in mind, addressing both the needs of our male and female colleagues. But we're also taking Gender Seal program to the rest of the development community here, and we've been invited to make a presentation on the program to the next meeting of our development partners. So it's internal, but it's also going external with all of our partners here in Rwanda.
UNDP Rwanda created an environment of competence, credibility, and tangible contributions to promoting gender equality and women's empowerment among the staff and in Rwanda. At the heart of it all is the commitment of the staff and senior management.
If we look in human resources, as we are doing our recruitments, we ensure that if qualified females who are fully recommended for positions and are competent enough should be selected for any positions that come up. And also, even just doing interviews, we ensure that at least there's one question on the interview panel that is a gender component. In procurement, for example, when we're looking at our vendors and engaging vendors, especially where there's teams of consultants or a team is coming on board, we make sure that there's at least a female representation in the team. In finance, we're looking at, for example, ensuring that there's a budget that has a vendor component. We are also supporting the Gender Seal Committee within the country office and ensuring that 10% of our management budget goes towards gender activities, sensitization. Administratively, you look at simple things like in our restrooms having female condoms, female bins, things that are just particularly for women. And also in our vehicles, we ensure that we are putting steps on each vehicle so that women with their high heels can step on and get into the car easily. The one key thing that women are complaining that there's a walkway that goes from the main gate to the office where there was cobbled stones, and we ensure that we paved it so that women can walk, comfortably in their heels without any problems. And you're looking at, for example, pregnant women when they go on leave. We are putting a component in our office budget to make sure that we have consultants that come in to cover them, and this also is on the male side. Paternity leave is encouraged. It's something that is ongoing, and we keep coming up with ideas. And we have a very effective gender SEAL team in our office that really drives us.
Following the Gender SEAL benchmarks, at UNDP Rwanda, particular emphasis is placed on mainstreaming gender in management systems, capacity building, enabling environment, communications and knowledge management, programs, projects and partnerships, results and impacts. This corporate certification process recognizes the good performance of UNDP country offices in delivering transformational gender equality results. With continued efforts and strong commitment, UNDP Rwanda strives to achieve transformational results in gender equality and women's empowerment in its country office and most importantly, in its development programs and projects.